Pnawn da, good afternoon. We're here in the county show in Pembrokeshire, in West, and it's a glorious afternoon on this Wednesday, the 19th of August 2026. So we're grateful this afternoon to have Vicki with us, who's going to talk about a project, exciting project that's rolling out in Pembrokeshire and other parts of West Wales that offers young people a way into employment. It's called Porth Gwyrdd Green Gateway, and the information is here on the Planed stall. Planed are involved as a partner with many other partners across West Wales. So, Vicki, thanks for coming along and giving up your time to explain about this project. Tell us a bit of a history. When did this start, and what is the objective of the project?
So Porth Gwyrdd is an employment project that helps young people into green careers. So it's a project that's run by Foothold Cymru in Llanelli, and Planed are the Pembrokeshire partner with the project. So I'm a job coach, so I work with young people. So when young people are referred onto the project, we work with them. We try and find supported employment opportunities for them and offer them training and routes to volunteering or self-employment. So they're referred to us. So it's young people between 16 and 30 that have barriers of some kind. So a disability, from an ethnic minority background, neurodiverse, and they come through. And if it's in Pembrokeshire, then myself and my colleague Havren are paired with that young person, and we work with them then.
Excellent. So it's also available in Ceredigion, Carmarthenshire, and somewhere and Powys.
Yeah, that's right, Chris. Yeah, we are the Pembrokeshire partners, but there's also so Foothold in Llanelli. So there's two job coaches there. They cover Carmarthenshire, and then Anta Cymru have two job coaches in Ceredigion, and they also operate into Powys as well.
Excellent. And I believe Menter Gorllewin Sir Gar are involved as well as a
That's
partner.
right. Yes, they're a partner. So they've been doing promotions and working with schools and getting the word out about the project and talking to young people and attending networking events.
Brilliant. So after the referral, then you'll be looking for employment places
Yes,
for the
that's
young
right.
people to go. So are there any incentives, or how do people then get to know about who's available to come and work in their company or can offer a placement? Are there any sort of incentives for the companies?
Yes, there are. So yeah, we are looking at the moment in Pembrokeshire for employers to take some of our young people on year-long supported employment opportunities. It's in the green sector. So we've got a number of businesses. So we've got young people already are hosting young people. So we've got Well Mama CIC near Mine Clochog, and we've also got Total Generation, which are a wind turbine company. They are hosting a year-long supported employment placement for a young person. And there is a subsidy, as you said, so employers can get up to 16 hours for the first 6 months to cover the costs of employing that young person. And the national insurance contributions are also covered.
Brilliant. So there's a good incentive to take on that young person who's interested in green technology,
That's right.
working with environmental projects. So really the key is now to find employers from those sectors who would like to host a young person, to give them a first a leg on the ladder of career. So really it's important, if you know of an employer or you employ yourself, contact us here with Planed, with Vicki and Havren, and then you can be put into the database and hopefully matched up with a young person in your area who would really love to work for your company. And hopefully then that career path takes the individual into lifelong learning and lifelong employment, hopefully in that sector. But how long is this project lasting, do you think, Vicki, do you know?
So this is a 5-year lottery funded project. We're in year 2 now. So there's 3 years left. So yeah, there's an allocation of placements per year. So we're in year 2 now. So we've got a number of people. I've got 11 young people on my caseload, half of which are already going into placements. But we're looking for the remaining placements for the remaining participants. But we are also looking for organisations to host them as volunteers, or offer training or internships as well. Those are the other routes that we can offer through Porth Gwyrdd. So employers, but also other organisations willing to host them for other opportunities.
That's great, and it's at the end of the day, it's giving confidence to young people, isn't it?
Yes.
To have that employment experience, and then know about opportunities in that field of green energy or environmental, but also I would say in general in life as a young person, opportunities to getting on that ladder of employment, and help to ensure that people have a career and can build their lives. So great project,
Yeah.
excellent concept, and hopefully now for the remaining 3 years of the project, we'll see many more young people coming on board. Contact Planed, contact Vicki and Havren, and then hopefully employers have a chance of having subsidised employment or volunteers in their business. So from us now sunny Haverfordwest, Withybush, it's great now that we're going to have a chance to go around the show, meet possible employers to take on the project of Porth Gwyrdd, and information is available. Do you have a website, or is it on Planed website?
Yeah, there's a website. So if you just go onto the Porth Gwyrdd website, if you want to refer a young person, or if you want to, get involved as an employer or as or host a volunteer, you just go onto the website, and if it comes through as Pembrokeshire, it'll come through to us.
Great, and also on the information's on Planed's website also, which is www.planed.org.uk. You'll give us a call in the Narberth office, and you'll be referred to the right person. So, well done, wishing you well, and an excellent project again as part of the Planed team. Diolch yn fawr, thank you.
Diolch, Chris.